Hey everybody, this is Jeremy. It's Wednesday, and you're watching the Practical IT channel, which means it's time for Midweek News. Let's get started. March 31st marked the 25th anniversary of Mozilla. Congratulations to the Mozilla team and for their continued work building Firefox and Thunderbird and other projects and working towards a democratized internet experience. Rosehosting has a tutorial on installing Docker CE on Ubuntu 22.04. While DocStarter is my preferred method these days, it's always good to have a backup option available to you. And this tutorial walks you through step by step on getting Docker installed. LibreOffice 7.5.2 has been released, fixing 96 bugs. If you're a LibreOffice user, it's time to get to upgrading. After being dormant for 8 years, Edubuntu, the educational arm of Ubuntu, returns for the 23.04 release. If you've got kids in your life, you may want to take a look. Lots of educational software included by default. The new Tor Browser for VPN doesn't actually use the Tor Network. The Tor developers have teamed up with Mullvad for a VPN-based browser. Interesting concept, worth checking out. The new release of Chrome 1.12 includes WebAssembly garbage collection trial and CSS nesting. You'll want to check that out. WebAssembly is coming in hard and heavy, and it's going to be interesting to watch as it unfolds. Amazon lays off 100 employees in its gaming division. We knew this was coming and they were going to lay off employees, and it's just a matter of continuing to find out where those layoffs are going to happen. Good luck to all those employees being laid off, and hopefully you will have a smooth transition into your next endeavor. Debian 12 Release Candidate 1 is now available. If you want to take a look and preview what's happening for the next version of Debian, now's a great time to do it. And keep in mind, folks, that Proxmox is based on Debian, so after the full release, there will likely be new releases of the popular Proxmox products. And last but not least, Shotcut 23.04 is slated to bring Qt6 and FFMmpeg 6 support, as well as a 64-bit ARM build in Flatpak format. So this is going to be an interesting release. It's going to reintroduce GPU effects, a motion tracker video filter, and new time filters. So keep your eye on development of Shotcut. And that, my friends, is going to bring us to the end of another midweek news video. Thank you all for watching. Do what you do below the video, and have a great day.